release. Gentlemen, please listen carefully as the cabin crew point out the safety features on board this Airbus A321.
Hello again. We want you to have a safe and enjoyable flight. So please listen closely while we take you through the safety requirements for our Airbus A321. Your crew are highly trained to help keep you safe, so make sure you listen to and follow their instructions. As we get underway, please make sure your personal electronic devices are in a flight safe mode or otherwise completely switched off. Your carry-on baggage and larger electronic devices should now be placed either under the seat in front of you or in an Check that your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed away, your armrest is lowered, and your window shade is open. The seatbelt sign above you will be illuminated whenever you must have your seatbelt fastened. To fasten your seatbelt, clip the buckle and clasp, and pull on the loose strap to tighten. Undo the seatbelt by lifting the buckle flap. The seatbelt is most effective when worn low, tight, and throughout the entire flight. Make sure you're familiar with the brace position best suited to your seat. The onboard safety instruction card in your seat pocket, clip it at the front, and then pull on the loose strap to tighten. Only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tags. You can top up your life jacket by blowing into these mouthpieces. The life jacket also has a whistle and a light to attract attention. There are emergency escape and flotation devices accessible from each exit. By law, you must not tamper with or remove any aircraft equipment unless authorized. You must comply with any instructions from our crew and any signs that you see on board. Smoking is not permitted anytime, anywhere on board the aircraft, including in the bathrooms. It's our pleasure to have you on board with us today, and we hope you have an enjoyable flight. Thanks for listening.
seatbelt signs. At this time, we do ask all passengers please remain seated with seatbelts fastened. This does include the potential journalists.
와, 이거 진짜 무거워.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cairns, but the local time is 8 a.m. It's important that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. If you can do so without unfastening your seatbelt, you may now switch your mobile phone off flight mode. Smoking is not permitted whilst disembarking and throughout airport buildings. Please be careful when you open overhead lockers as your luggage may have moved during the flight. Check your seat pockets and around you for any personal items. Today we'll be using the forward and the rear left-hand doors to disembark. If you are using the rear door, please turn to the handrails as you descend the stairs and follow directions given to you by the Jetstar team into the terminal building. And on behalf of your captain and the entire crew, we would like to thank you for flying with Jetstar today. It has been a pleasure having you on board, and we do look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and good morning.
Two pages outdoors.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a friendly reminder to please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign.